good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is devotion, when inner coherence aligns in sacred communion. Ladies and gentlemen, across civilizations and across ages, one quiet longing persists in the human heart: the desire to feel aligned, guided, and connected to something deeper than circumstances. Devotion is the state where this longing finds its anchor. It is not defined by ritual or sentiment, but by an inner coherence that forms when thought steadies, emotion harmonizes, and consciousness aligns with the vast intelligence sustaining existence. In such coherence, a gentle luminosity rises within. Purpose stops hiding. It begins to reveal itself like dawn unfolding across a silent horizon. Modern science affirms what ancient wisdom preserved, that the human being is a symphony of interconnected rhythms. Brain waves pulse in patterned oscillations. The heart generates electromagnetic fields, shaping emotional tone. Breath modulates neural chemistry. Sense respond to intention and attention. When these rhythms synchronize, the system enters a state of deep physiological coherence linked with clarity of thought, emotional balance, and creativity with intuitive insight. Yet, coherence is only the threshold. Ancient traditions recognized that when the inner field becomes harmonious, consciousness becomes receptive to a higher order of intelligence. This receptive expansion is communion. In communion, the mind feels guided without instruction, compassion flows without prompting, and courage arises without force. It is not stepping away from life. It is a deeper engagement with its essence and truth. Devotion is the subtle force that bridges coherence into communion, refining awareness and opening the inner gateways to wisdom. Every soul carries an embedded purpose, a quiet blueprint woven into its core. Potential is the reservoir supporting its unfolding, but purpose and potential remain scattered unless aligned with higher intelligence. Without communion, abilities may drift. With communion, they gather into clarity, direction, and radiance. It is here that the soul begins to sense its rightful path, not through strain but through recognition. Ancient teachings spoke of subtle energy centers, inner dynamos shaping clarity, resilience, intuition, and compassion. Science mirrors this through discoveries in autonomic balance, neuroplasticity, heart-brain coupling, and synchronized neural networks. When these dynamos harmonize, the body steadies, the brain attunes to coherence, and consciousness expands. In this synchronized state, purpose and potential unite, forming a luminous inner compass. Purpose differs from soul to soul, shaped by inner evolution and outer circumstances. Yet, devotion remains the universal harmonizer. It invites guidance when intention is sincere. It nurtures awareness which fuels potential. It cultivates peace which strengthens inner radiance. Every life is precious. Every soul is a unique design carrying a spark meant to illuminate its own corner of existence. What's the way forward? Devotion deepens through simplicity. A breath observed with stillness brings coherence. A moment of silence invites communion. A gesture of kindness elevates the heart. A thought of gratitude refines perception. A sincere intention aligns direction. Through these gentle acts, the inner field becomes receptive to divine intelligence. Gradually, coherence stabilizes, communion strengthens, and purpose becomes unmistakably clear. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when devotion blossoms into coherence and matures into communion, the soul stands aligned with truth. Purpose emerges with quiet confidence. Potential unfolds with natural grace. In this alignment, divine intelligence becomes the unseen charioteer, steadying the journey, illuminating the path, and guiding the soul toward its highest expression. As Lord Krishna affirms in the revealed Bhagavad Gita, to the devoted, serene in heart and steadfast in alignment, I grant the wisdom by which their inner radiance makes their path shine, and to those who are constantly devoted and who worship me with love, I carry what they lack and preserve what they have. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.